हेलो ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड आई नो इट्स बिन अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम कि मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. बट एनीवेज, आई जस्ट वांट गिव एन अपडेट कि मैं अभी आई हैव जॉइंड ग्लोबंट इन पुणे. So yes, currently I am in Pune, and yeah, it's a roller coaster ride, switching company. So I've from Accenture to Globant. It's a very complex journey for me, at least, because before I've joined to Globant, मैंने एक दूसरा startup join किया था basically, and then I have resigned, or I can say कि मैं abscond करके अगला ही दिन I've abscond that company, and I've joined Globant. So that is the like overall view. But anyway, yeah, uh, too many rejections. Yeah, I know it hurts. Sometimes it drops your confidence, and of course, sometimes you have started doubting yourself as well. But I have went through the same situations, and I know it really hurts. But anyway, so basically I have changed a very simple thing. So I've started taking notes of the questions that I have asked during my interview. I have analyzed all the mistakes that I have made and the topics that I could not able to answer properly. So once I've analyzed it one by one, I came to know that okay, it wasn't any luck. It's like there is a gap in my preparation. So once I've realized that, I've walked on them one by one, and then yeah, things suddenly changed. uh, I I was able to answer better, better in a better way, like more confidence, and it's overally the experience was better as well. So it is not only about all the skills that you have. So well, also I would like to say there are two key things that you need to keep in mind. So one is that, so basically communication is the key. That is one thing. And another thing is you need to know how you are gonna sell yourself. Okay. So basically what you are doing here, you are selling yourself, and the person in front of you, he will gonna buy you. So you need to show them what are the features you have and what you can do and what can be achievable by you. Okay. So basically what exactly you are doing, you are selling yourself. Okay, isn't it? Well, anyway, I think you can relate. So you just need to work on all of that, and I think you definitely will going to get better result, at least. And it worked for me, so hopefully it should work for you as well. Anyway, and yeah. Rejections are not the end of the world, basically, and these are kind of feedbacks to you, so that you can work on them and you will do better eventually. So yeah, so hopefully it should help you to grow, and just think about it, how you are doing it and what exactly currently you are doing and how you can improve yourself, and I hope you definitely will gonna it should work. Anyways, so Globant provide me so many goodies, so I'd like to show you guys all of that. So basically पहले तो हमको मिला था Mac, which if you are joining to Globant, they will provide you Mac, so that is one thing. And apart from that, they have provided a very good bag. It's a cute little bag. It's a good one, but anyway, quality इसका अच्छा है, so that's not an issue. उसके अलावा I've got this bottle, and when I've shifted to Pune, मैं actually ये खरीदने वाला था, but the next day I went to office. They have given me this bottle, so anyway I didn't purchase it anymore. But yeah, it's a nice bottle. इसकी स्टोरी अलग है. So anyway, so ये ग्लोवेंट के द्वारा नहीं दिया गया, but I got this on the same way. इसका स्टोरी फिर कभी हम सुनाते हैं. That's लेट अपार्ट. इसके अलावा इसके अंदर एक, आई थिंक इट्स अ मग. Okay, here you can see the Globant logo. So it's a very simple mug, and apart from that, it's a very they have given a very cute pen box. Okay, and see, look at it, how cute it is, isn't it? This one really good. Like, I like the box. Okay, and pen is nice only, that is fine, but the box is crazy one. तो आई लाइक द बॉक्स. इसके अलावा हम लोगों को मिला था लैपटॉप का स्टैंड है. सो इट्स अ वुडन वन, तो आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड इट क्योंकि इससे अच्छा वाला मेरे पास है. एंड एज आई हैव मेंशन द मैक, इसका चार्जर भी होगा, बट मैं इधर उधर रख दिया हूँगा कहीं पे. एंड इसके अलावा दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड HP माउस which is having two side buttons, and it's a good mouse, so it is really good. I haven't checked. It's HP 435 multi-device wireless mouse, so of course yeah, it's a wireless mouse of course. And इसके अलावा at the, well, the model is like 435 multi-device, so yeah, anyways. And इसके अलावा we did got this diary, and yeah, that is it. So anyway, if you guys wanna know anything about Globant, I definitely can help on that. Or if you want any referrals, I definitely can try for that as well. So yeah, you can ping me or you can comment down, so that definitely we will in connect. That is all from my side. Thanks for watching the video.